Good morning, students. Students of a class 10, we have already discussed in our last WhatsApp class about tense revisited. In that class, we have already discussed tense revisited and different times. That means present tense, present time, present tense, future time, and past tense, past time. Let us discuss a new chapter, that is types of a sentence. Very important chapter in class 10. In this chapter, we will discuss types of a sentence. Students, in this class, let us first discuss types of a sentence. On the basis of a clause, sentence can be divided into three types. Number one, your simple sentence. Number two, compound sentence. Number three, complex sentence. Students, these kinds of sentences are divided on the basis of a clause. Students, let us first know what is a clause and what is a simple sentence. What is the difference between clause and simple sentence? Students, let us first discuss what is a clause. Clause is a sentence-like structure in which a subject is there and a finite verb in the predicate. Also, a simple sentence has the same structure. Means a simple sentence has a subject and a finite verb in the predicate. But difference is there. What is the difference between a simple sentence and a clause? A clause is a sentence structure in which subject is there and a finite verb is also in the predicate. But a sentence is mandatory to give complete sense, but a clause is not mandatory to give complete sense. This is the difference between a clause and a simple sentence. Students, you remember one thing. All simple sentences are clauses, but all clauses are not simple sentences. Why? Because a simple sentence is mandatory. A simple sentence is bound to give complete sense, but a clause may give or may not give complete sense. So, this is the basic difference between simple sentence and clause. Students, you remember another important thing. Clause is a simple sentence or clause is a part of a long sentence. Either it is a compound sentence or complex sentence. I have already told you previously, sentence can be divided into three types on the basis of your clause. Sentence having one clause is a simple sentence, and sentence having more than one clause is either compound sentence or complex sentence. Students, regarding this clause, it will be discussed in greater detail in your next chapter, that will be taught in your noun clause and adjective clause and adverb clause. In noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause will be discussed in greater detail. Students, I have given you some activities in which you have to pick out the finite verb. Students, let us first know what is a finite verb. A finite verb is a verb which carries tense, person and number. Or we can simply say a finite verb carries tense. Students, remember one thing, if there is a single verb in a sentence, it is definitely a finite verb. Students, I have given you an activity in which you have to pick out the finite verb in the sentence. Thank you all.